SERV Stock Analysis Thursday. Now this is Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Let's talk about it. So simply put, it's sitting at 8.05. It's not like a clean buy for me to say honestly, you know, not a clean buy. I'm just honestly, the only case in which I'm going to be bullish in this market for right now is if the price shows me the bullish momentum. That's all I'm like literally waiting for. So all I'm going to look for is this double break. And if that's present, then I'm taking it higher. Let me show you how that would look like. Yeah, so I've already kind of drawn this on the chart. It's just a waiting game right now. Honestly, like if this starts peaking lower, I'm going to get rid of this. So that's the way that I'm approaching this market. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. And like adding anything more is just not going to be it. So no go for me. And that's about that. So if you want to learn the strategy, goodbye and enjoy. See you in the next one. I mean, yeah, that's it.